Craving that delicious Chick-fil-A, but don't want to leave the house? No problem. Let me show you how to order straight from DoorDash in just a few simple steps. First things first, open your DoorDash app. Make sure you're logged in. Now tap on the search bar at the top and type in Chick-fil-A. Select the Chick-fil-A location nearest to you. Alright, now you're in Chick-fil-A heaven. Browse the menu and start adding your favorites to your cart. I'm going with the classic Chick-fil-A chicken sandwich. Tap on your desired item. This will bring up the customization options here. You can choose your bread, add toppings, and specify any special requests. For my sandwich, I want to add extra pickles, so I'll tap that option. Once you're happy with your customizations, tap Add to Cart. Repeat these steps for any other items you want to add to your order. Now, tap the cart icon at the bottom of the screen to review your order. Double-check your order to make sure everything is correct. Verify your delivery address and payment method. Next, you can choose between delivery or pickup. If you want it delivered right to your door, select delivery. If you prefer to pick it up yourself, select pickup. I am selecting delivery. Tap place order and that's it. DoorDash will give you an estimated delivery time now. Just sit back, relax, and wait for your Chick-fil-A to arrive. Enjoy!